The pedigree chart below shows an autosomal recessive trait. In generation 3, who is definitely a carrier for the trait? So in this generation 3, the third line, we want to know who is a carrier. Now if the individual is affected, like 5 and 1, these individuals are not carriers. They are affected by the trait, so we don't include them in the answer. So now what we need to do is look at the offspring. Based upon individuals 1 and 2 in generation 4, we cannot tell whether or not individual 2 is a carrier. Individual 2 could be, but it's not confirmed based upon the phenotypes of 1 and 2. Neither of them is affected, so there's no way we can be sure that individual 2 is a carrier or not. So that remains uncertain. Individual 3 is affected by the trait, so this individual received 2 recessive alleles from both parents, individual 3 and individual 4. So far, these individuals, 3 and 4, are carriers. Now individual 6 in generation 3, we can't be sure of that one either, because individuals 4, 5, and 6 in generation 4 are not affected by this trait, so we cannot be sure about individual 6. We can only be certain that individuals 3 and 4 are carriers for this trait because their offspring is affected by it. So choice B is the answer.